Hello, this is Mary, and today we're going to make a homemade recipe that I never made it before. It's very simple, only has 3 ingredients, and but it's not really something to eat. It's something that we will use in the kitchen to prepare our pan or trays before we bake something. So basically what we're making is a pan spray oil. That's probably how we should call it. The ingredients are simple. Again, it's only butter, flour, and vegetable oil. And once we're making it, once it's done, we will be able to put in a clean container and keep it in the refrigerator for a long time, or at least for a few weeks. And if we don't bake very often, then we can just freeze it and use it as needed. Okay, let's start. So the first step is to I've actually adjusted this recipe, so it's really the first time I'm making it. So we're gonna put 4.5 ounces of butter. Okay, it's a little soft, the butter, it's not really super cold. We are going to add 5 ounces of flour. Okay. And then 9 ounces of vegetable oil. Everything is here in our beautiful Thermomix. And the next step is very simple. We are going to set up 40 seconds. This is a whole manual recipe. Measuring cup, let's not forget that. A speed 5. I hope it's gonna be good. Okay, 17 more seconds. Let's see. No, it's too splashy. We can't open it. Okay. Done. Let's see. Let's see what happened. I am actually very curious. Okay. Ooh, it looks fantastic. Okay, looks very nice. So the next step, what I'm thinking, I'm just gonna put it here in a nice clean container. Ooh, goodness. I might need to get a second container. So let me put this on the side. So I might need a second container. And with this beautiful preparation that we just made, this homemade pan spray, we are going to use it to flour and butter, I don't know, spray on this baking dish, because I am preparing a cake tonight. I'm afraid to say the name, is in France, but we'll in a few minutes I should be ready to put it in here. Anyway, this is our solution if we don't want to buy any more product that are, you know, on the counter. We want to make them homemade. I think this is a great alternative and should be very useful. So let's see how it goes. And thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, please follow me on YouTube. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Lost the remote.